Today we're recreating Ning Ning's lemon soda makeup look. This video is by Bian A Dou, a talented Chinese makeup artist and beauty creator on Douyin. She's known for her detailed makeup recreations, creative beauty looks, and fun, expressive commentary. In this video, she recreates Ning Ning's lemon soda makeup look, taking us through the process step by step with her signature playful style. Seriously, which genius makeup artist came up with this golden lower eyeliner for Ning Ning? It looks just like the eyes of a golden shaded cat. With so many music festivals and concerts happening lately, this makeup is honestly perfect for the occasion. Skin prep first, we're applying some lip balm, then we're using a hydrating cotton pad. This has been one of our recent favorites, and it's as thin as a cicada's wing. Oh my gosh, the lighting today is so good. We look so pretty. Even barefaced, we look this good. This yellow makeup sponge is so on theme. Ever since we started using it, the base makeup has been sitting so well. We'll work it in, and once it melts into the skin, we can move on to the base makeup. Wait, no, we need to draw the eye shape first. We found one that looks almost exactly like Ning Ning's. We seriously searched for so long. Starting from the inner part of the right eyebrow, we're angling it diagonally to get the correct position. The hair around the hairline is pretty stubborn, so we need to hold it in place. Natural base makeup. The base makeup isn't anything special, so we'll just quickly go through it. Oh my gosh, why are we covered in cats? First, we're using a brush to blend everything out. This foundation gives such a natural, creamy skin finish. This makeup sponge has one side for applying foundation and another side for brightening. It's super hydrating and really easy to use. We'll use the smaller end to work on the details too. Contour and dimension. For contour, we're using our old friend, this double-ended contour stick. This one is new. We already used up the old one. Ning Ning's face is so small, so we're going heavy with the contour. We're not skipping the cheeks either. Since this is a cream formula, it won't fight with the base makeup. Ning Ning's eyebrows are pretty thin, so we're using a tinted brow gel to shape them. This is shade 06, and we had to wait forever to get it. Then we'll use a little brow powder to refine the tail. Her brows don't have much of a fluffy hair-like texture. They're soft and smooth. The lemon soda eye makeup. Now for the most important part, the eye makeup. We'll start with this neutral eyeshadow palette to create a base. Actually, Ning Ning's makeup isn't very heavy. We found an eyeshadow palette we don't even remember buying. And it has this yellow shade with surprisingly high pigmentation. We're going to test it with a small brush. We'll lightly layer it onto the eyelid. This eye makeup is seriously so pretty. Next, we're using this fine shimmer from the palette and layering it over the eyelid. It's very close to the natural color of the eyelid itself. Brown black cat eye. For the eyeliner, we're using the brown shade from this purple eyeliner gel. We looked closely, and Ning Ning's eyeliner isn't pure black. It's more of a brown black shade. Now we'll connect the front part. This pen is absolutely perfect for drawing the inner corner. We're leaving a tiny bit of space on the eyelid for that golden eyeliner. Now connect it together, the golden lower eyeliner. Her aegyo isn't particularly obvious, so we'll just use the leftover eyeshadow to lightly define it. The cat eye eyeliner is actually really easy to draw. We searched for a long time and finally found lashes that look really similar to hers. They give that girl group look while still looking naturally pretty. Her lashes are shorter in the front and longer toward the outer corners, creating this cute little cat eye effect. We'll also bring out a little bit of the aegyo shape. From what we can see, she barely defines hers. Both our upper and lower lashes are glue-free. It's seriously so convenient. We're actually a little nervous about this golden eyeliner. We got it. We've learned it now. From now on, we're doing our eyeliner like this too. Wow, we're feeling pretty confident now. No, seriously, we're only halfway through and we already feel like we look insanely beautiful. Blush and highlight. And now we'll blend everything out. We're adding some highlight to the bridge of the nose. For blush, we're using this soft apricot pink shade. We'll also use a little of it to subtly extend the corners of the mouth. We searched through so many shades and finally found one that looks similar. A pink with a hint of apricot orange. This color is so pretty. We'll layer a little bit of this Tiffany shade on top too. It feels like we need just a touch more pink. Final touch. Now we're going to fix our hair and finish the look. And just like that, our Ning Ning inspired lemon soda makeup is coming together.